Global growth remains resilient with easing inflationary pressures and tight employment conditions in spite of geopolitical and extreme weather event risk. The IMF, in its latest April 24 World Economic Outlook, raised the global growth forecast to 3.2% for the year 2024, which is 10 basis points higher than its January 24 update, and expect the global economy to grow at the same pace in 2025. Global headline inflation is expected to fall from an annual average of 6.8% in 23 to 5.9% in 24 and further to 4.5% in 25, with advanced economies returning to their inflation target sooner than the emerging markets and the developing economies. Commodities and energy prices can drag the economic and the growth prospect by infusing sudden shocks on the supply side, a collateral impact of escalating geopolitical tensions at multiple fronts. However, in this backdrop, as far as India is concerned, the conditions are, however, shaping up for an upshift in the real GDP growth, backed by the strong investment demand and upbeat business and consumer sentiments. CPI inflation has already gravitated to 4.9% in March after averaging 5.1% in the preceding 2 months. CPI inflation is expected to moderate in ensuing months and is expected to taper to 4.5% in financial year 25 compared to 5.4% average in financial year 24. In financial year 24, the credit offtake of the all scheduled commercial bank recorded a growth of about 20%, while deposit grew at about 13%. And the momentum with some moderation is expected to continue in the financial year 25 too.